Okay, here we are on lesson 3, and this is what our spreadsheet looks like after we completed lesson 2. Now I'm going to come up here right here and I'm going to type in there long tail keyword, well, I got to spell it right, phrases. And over here I'm going to put G for global and L for local. Whoops, got to type right. Got to take a typing class. Okay, now notice this one here. I got 40,000 searches and I got 6,600 searches. So let me just show you. Here's our goal for a minute. So this particular phrase, SEO, had how many searches? 1.7 million. So what am I going to do? Well, I want a goal on this particular one to equal what? I want 500,000 global searches, and I want 100,000 local searches. Okay, so how do I get that? Well, let's look. So let's say I want to use this keyword phrase, okay? The name of the article is A Broad Overview of SEO. So I might say something like SEO Quake helps drive traffic to your site. So that would be my long tail keyword phrase. Now, I'm going to check how many global searches does that give me? 45,000. How many local searches does that give me? 6,000. So let's come down here and let's look at this one right here. Black Hat SEO. Okay, so I would say I use Black Hat SEO on my website. Okay, how many searches does that give me? Well, just as an example, I'm just using quick examples. Now I might refine this a little bit better. Okay, that's how many I have. I come down here, here's another one. I can write something like SEO plugins help my traffic on my site. And what type of searches does that give me? So here we have 45,000, and here we have another, what is it, about 14,000. So I scroll down just a little bit. Here's a real high one, okay? And I would write a long-term keyword phrase that might say, Kung Fu Secret SEO for WordPress strategies. And how many searches would that give me? So that's going to give me 135 global, and as I keep that, as I continue that, it's going to give me about 33,000 local. So I continue doing that. Here's another one right here that I could use. Here's two 40,000 ones right here. Here's another 33,000 one. And I would continue to write SEO long tail keyword using these phrases to create a high level of traffic. Now, if I scroll down, what I can now do is I can copy and see how many searches I have once I've finished. Notice already I have 250,000 global searches and 61,000 local searches, and I'm getting close to my goal. What's my goal? I want 500,000, whoops, got a period there, 500,000 global searches, 100,000 local searches, and I'm going to write how many? I'm going to write 10 to 12, or maybe 15 long tail tags for my blog. So what's the goal? Well, in this particular case, there was 1.7 million searches. My goal is to try and find long tail keyword tags of 500,000 and 100,000 local. And I'm going to write 10, maybe up to 15 tags for my blog item that contain all those long tail keyword phrases. Now, why is that? Because your tags create the greatest amount of traffic to your blog post. So this is just one of the steps of creating traffic for your blog post. Highly critical, very important. So let's review here, okay, just for a minute. The first thing we did was we went to Google keyword tools. And what did we do? Well, we looked up keywords, keyword phrases in relationship to one particular keyword. And the second thing we did was we downloaded the searches. And then number 3, we opened Excel on it. And then number 4, we determined how many searches were in the low category, okay, low competition category. Then 5, we sorted it, a little out of order here, but we sorted the spreadsheet. So we saw the low competition keyword phrases, and then 6, having trouble with counting, and then 6, we wrote 10 to 15 long tail keyword phrases. And what is this? These become our tags on our blog. Why? Because this is where you get most of your traffic. Because this is where you get most of your traffic. What from? Tags. 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 Where do you get most of your traffic? Tags. That drives most of your traffic to your blog. So that's lesson number 3. And I now want you to test it and try it out. And on your blogs, I want you to write a bunch of long tail keyword tags. And on your next blog, you enter those in your tags, and you'll start seeing your traffic will increase. So have a great day.